and in this case, you see always my upper body is always on the go, and the middle body always have that opportunity to do that scooping motion. Therefore, movement never stops. Inside, on the side, is much easier to see. So go step and step and step and. So go cha, one, and. So it's also recommended to put heel down sooner. Why? Because on the backward walk, you also will have that scooping action through the middle. So you go heel, and then you have your hip going. So let's take a look on the cha-cha basic from the side. Step and step and cha-cha-cha and step, cha-cha-cha. And instead of moving in one piece, okay, you can move your upper body, but then you will have not much continuity. So make sure always land in split, and then you have that scooping through the hip.